Hello, my name is Dr. Aporo. So today we're going to be discussing the continuation of our IT web and mobile apps. So today we'll be discussing the SEO search engine optimization technique. So using backlink. So this is one of the fascinating topic in uh, in web and mobile apps. Okay, so let's move on. So the search engine optimization techniques, backlinks. So we say that search engine optimization is essential for improving website visibility and ranking in search engine. So it's important that when clients search for particular topic, your website should be the number one. So that is through the design of the SEO. Among many techniques, backlinks, also known as inbound links, play critical role. A backlink is a hyperlink from one website to another, signaling to search engine that the link website is trustworthy and authoritative. High quality backlinks are often considered the backbone of effective SEO strategies. For the purpose of our discussion, so the purpose of using backlink SEO is to boost website authority, credibility, and ranking in search engine results. No? So when your website is on top, that means that is sought after or high quality. It can be like that, perceived to be safe web page. No? Backlinks act as endorsements from other websites, yeah, indicating that the content is valuable and relevant. This directly contributes to higher organic traffic, improved domain authority, and better brand visibility. So it's important that your brand should be visible for endorsement, okay, for for the business. The main points is authority building. Backlinks from reputable source improve domain authority and trustworthiness. Because once it was hooked, that means it is recognizable. Improve search engine ranking. Website with quality backlinks tend to rank higher in Google and other search engine. So that's the important thing. Referral traffic, another point. Backlinks from high traffic website drives direct visitors to other link sites. So that's the importance of that one. So that means it it links na. Indexing and crawling, search engine bots use backlinks to discover, so that's the program bots, the content and index website more efficiently. Indexing na. That means pointing to your website. Another point is relevance and niche positioning. Links from industry relevant sites strengthen topical relevance. So relevance and niche positioning, that means the web page na. Brand exposure, backlinks often introduce website to new audience, enhancing visibility and reputation. So that means creating visibility. So as validation, according to Moss, backlinks remain one of the Google's top 3 ranking factors. A backlink is a study analyzing 11.8 million search results found that pages with high number of quality backlinks consistently rank higher. Google itself acknowledged backlink as an indicator of page authority and relevance. So that's how backlinks is important. So illustration, a small e-commerce business specializing in eco-friendly products collaborate with sustainability blogs and news sites. By earning backlinks through guest posts and products features, the website organic traffic increased by 60% in 60 months, in 6 months, while sales grew by 35%. So that's how backlink, because it's endorsed. Na? So application at applying guest blogging, writing content for website in exchange for links, content marketing, publishing valuable resource guides, infographics, case studies that attract natural links. Influencer outreach, no? partnering with industry experts to earn endorsements and links. Broken links building, replacing broken links into other sites with relevant content from your own. So press releases and digital PR. Now, gaining links through news coverage and media mentions. The value of backlinks increase organic traffic and search engine visibility, enhance website credibility and brand authority, builds long-term SEO strength by creating a strong link profile, improves customers' trust through associations with reputable sources. So that's it. So if website is reputable, then uh, it will be acknowledged by the users and it will gain a followers. So provides all the traffic will improve. Provides a competitive edge in ranking over websites with weak backlinks profiles. No? So it's a highly competitive. So in conclusion, backlinks are powerful SEO techniques that significantly influence search engine ranking, website traffic. When your website is very high, so many advertisements. No? That's the business of it. And brand visibility by focusing on high quality, relevant, and authoritative backlinks, organizations can strengthen their online presence, therefore its business, and achieve long-term digital success. In the competitive digital landscape, mastering backlink strategies is essential for sustainable SEO growth. So we get this from Moz, from Backlink, from Fishkin, and Google Search Service. Okay. So if you have some question, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you for having me. Bye bye.